vacation?
No, work. I was giving a talk.
What was your talk about?
I'm not sure it's appropriate airplane conversation. It's complicated, that's all.
I work at a bakery.
Really?
Yep, Karen.
I'm Amelia.
So, you live alone?
Just me and Libby.
Libby!
My cat.
Oh, cat lady. Oh, me, I've got two. One's still a kitten, one is C. Okay, this one is Clara, and that's Anise.
Very cute.
My babies.
Here, I think I have a picture too. That's Libby.
Things with large eyes are so unbelievably cute.
True. Oh, yeah, sorry.
So is it sexual? Oh, your talk.
Oh, no, my talk, it's about terrorists.
Terrorists?
It's a study of women terrorists.
Kim Cregan, author of Understanding Terrorist Motivations, said there are 3 paths to becoming a terrorist.
The first, availability, indicates that an individual is experiencing frustration within his or her life. The second, recruitment, occurs when the individual makes contact with the terrorist group. The last, commitment to action, occurs when the individual actually commits to participating in a terrorist act.
Although we often view terrorists as extreme, distant cases, Cregan argues this path can happen to anyone. The Female Terrorist Project.
By Ken Urban.
So you meet them? These women. Why?
To understand, and to see it happen, not to just record events after the fact, but to understand it from the inside.
That's dangerous knowledge. News reporters want you to think we're some small fringe. We're not. We?
Oh, yeah, thanks.
If the police demand you tell them what I look like.
I wouldn't. Why are you telling me these things anyway?
You have one of those faces. Face that makes you tell you things.
Karen, thanks for meeting with me again. So, tell me, how did you become involved in the group?
Well, I'd gone to tons of these protests, and I knew what to expect. And the uselessness, the signs, the slogans, it'd be a victory just to get arrested. But then one day it hit me. There had to be something more than rallies and protests. Posters weren't enough. And then I walked away that day. And soon I met people who felt the same. Why'd you want to meet us?
Oh, my project? I'm writing a profile of female women terrorists.
Yeah, I get that, but personal reasons for this?
My interests are academic. So, what is it that this group hopes to achieve?
An end to the war declared on the citizens of this country. And we do this by targeting the corporations that control the government, hurting them where it affects them the most. Will you tell people?
Oh, no.
That's too bad. I was planning to shoot you.
I'll just go. That was a joke! What is it?
It's a letter. To my mom. I want her to know I'm okay. Oh, you don't have to.
No.
You don't feel comfortable.
Of course.
We're sorry for the inconvenience, ma'am.
Inconvenience? And where are my papers, my books? Where's my computer?
You've my word, it'll all be returned. There are red flags, ma'am. You've traveled a lot these past few months. Syria, Israel, South Korea.
Yeah, research. I'm doing research on 6 women terrorists.
Terrorists?
Yeah, is there a fucking echo in here?
Ma'am, I just
I said call me Amelia! Sorry, it's research. My colleagues, the president of the university, they support my work.
You said there were 6?
Excuse me?
6 women? By my count, there were 5. You said 6.
It's 5. I misspoke.
You ever see this woman?
Nope. Sorry, I couldn't be of much help, but I didn't get your name.
Good day, ma'am.
What are you doing here?
Amelia,
get out of my house! If you don't, your shoe! I'm losing my mind. I lied for you. This woman, she came and she showed me this picture of you and she said, do you know this woman? And I said no.
Amelia, we never wanted
I lost my job, Karen. They fired me, Karen, if that's even your name.
It is.
My work was my life. You know, I gave up everything to get where I am now, and what do I have now? Nothing. No family to speak of, no friends who will even speak to me. I have nothing. I'm ruined. Why is this happening?
I came here to tell you. You're being targeted. You're to be an example to punish anyone who appears sympathetic.
But I haven't done anything.
I know, I'm sorry.
So, well, what's gonna happen now?
There are lawyers. I can put you in touch
It's
with
too
them.
far gone now. That won't help. God, this is insane.
Look, I gotta go. This could hurt your case. I need to go.
I'm coming with you.
Amelia! You're not thinking clearly. This isn't books to be debated over coffee. This is different.
You think I don't know that? I've spoken to women who are no different than I am, and they've done things that I never thought were imaginable, but I've learned. You know, I'm not a fool. This is not beyond me. This is what I want.
And what do you think you'll learn, Amelia? Because let me save you some trouble. This is something that will change you forever. Because you let it happen. It's dangerous knowledge. It changes everything. What about your cat?
Libby died. There's nothing for me here. I will not be made powerless again.
A woman's monitoring you out front.
Did she see you come in here?
No, look, about the woman. She's parked in a van, and when I leave, I'll make sure she sees me. She'll follow. There'll be a gray car out front. Get in. Then it begins. Or tell the police what I told you. You tell them, they'll think you're cooperating, and they'll back off and let you be, especially if they get my arrest out of it. It's your choice, Amelia.
Karen, why do this?
You have one of those faces? Face that makes you tell you things?
forgot to do the times